Welcome to Thinkific Plus. If you're looking for a powerful solution to provide online learning at scale, you found the perfect place. Thinkific Plus is designed to facilitate the rapid launch and scaling of learning programs, catering to customers, partners, or employees through our incredibly user-friendly platform. Today, I'll guide you through some key features that make Thinkific Plus the platform of choice for mid-market and enterprise organizations worldwide. Ready to see what you can teach with Thinkific Plus? Our platform supports the creation of dynamic digital products, including courses, digital downloads, and online communities. It enhances learning engagement through interactive features such as quizzes, surveys, and assignments, all managed via intuitive drag-and-drop interface. With Thinkific Plus, your organization can monetize educational offerings by effortlessly selling courses, managing subscriptions, and handling transactions within the platform, streamlining the buying experience and unlocking new revenue streams. Whether offering one-time courses or recurring subscriptions, Thinkific Plus supports your business growth by simplifying sales processes while you focus on delivering impactful educational content. Optimize your learning platform's ROI and prove your program's success with our robust analytics dashboards. These provide deep insights into performance, helping you track and demonstrate progress towards your goals and make informed, data-driven decisions. With Thinkific Plus, you're never alone. You'll also have access to a comprehensive knowledge base for troubleshooting. You can count on dedicated launch and long-term support with strategic consultation from the Thinkific Plus customer success team via phone and email, ensuring alignment with your immediate and long-term objectives. Your dedicated launch specialist will support you through platform migration, implementation, and the launch of your online academy. They'll access your short-term launch goals and share proven strategies and best practices to make going live quick and painless. Once your site is live, your customer success team will become trusted strategic advisors and coaches to help accelerate your growth. They'll support you with recommendations and resources, but they'll also hold you accountable for achieving the timelines and goals you've set for your business. We don't want technical issues to hinder your growth. So, if you have an urgent question or need help troubleshooting an issue, your dedicated team of senior technical support reps will make you their priority. They have the experience and expertise required to solve the problem quickly the first time. Are you ready for a platform that simplifies startup and delivers rapid value for your team? Thinkific Plus is here for you. Customization and integration. Customization is crucial in creating the ideal learning experience. Thinkific Plus allows you to craft personalized learning paths and develop unique learning environments for various groups, B2B clients, languages, and global audiences. Our enhanced API grants you complete control over your data, facilitating limitless customization and integration possibilities, streamlining workflows and providing deeper insights. Moreover, Thinkific Plus's extensive integration capabilities connect with over 100 applications and tools you already use and love, going beyond expectations to include full support for developing white-labeled mobile apps, saving your team significant time and effort. Comprehensive features for business growth. Thinkific Plus isn't just about delivering learning. It's about enhancing your business's growth potential. From deploying interactive quizzes and assignments to generating certificates and collecting feedback, our platform empowers you to elevate your credibility and engage more effectively with your audience. With features designed for B2B management, such as bulk uploading and unlimited admin access, managing your courses and content has never been more efficient or scalable. Dedicated to the highest data protection standards, Thinkific is SOC 2 and SCORM compliant, ensuring that your sensitive information remains secure. Your partner in learning and business success. Thinkific Plus is more than a learning platform. It's a comprehensive solution that leverages education to boost customer satisfaction, increase revenue, and streamline operations. Supported by our dedicated customer success team, Thinkific Plus is ready to help whether you're building your first course or expanding an established program. Experience the power of Thinkific Plus firsthand. I invite you to schedule a personalized demo today and see how our platform can transform your education and business growth approach.